Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
And we get started with that 24-hour temperature cast. The numbers are going to get high early today and stay high late, similar to the day that we had yesterday and the day before. No reason we don't see 96, 97, 98, 99 for top temperatures. Plus, it's going to be humid. That'll make it feel 10 or 12 or maybe even 15 degrees hotter than it is. And it's going to stay warm and muggy again overnight. So not a lot of change with this forecast. Not a lot of change expected even tomorrow. Hopefully this weekend we can see a few changes. Right now, not a whole lot going on out there. So expect the warm, the muggy, and the hazy to get started. It's 76 at the Tallahassee Airport, 77 in Thomasville. We're at 75 in Valdosta. Got dew points in those middle 70s. Boy, is it ever sticky and gross out there. And around the region, we're going to see more of those temperatures a little higher up in the 70s. Camillo's at 79, Bainbridge at 78. It's 79 in Mariana. Only Blakely down at 73 this morning. Not a lot of wind to stir things up either, so we'll be looking out for some of that patchy fog out there. We've seen a couple spots over the last few days, and I think we're going to see a little bit more of that again today. Plus, that haze will make the visibility a little bit low, especially early too. So spots like Perry already down to 2.5 miles, and we'll see these numbers reduce a little bit over the next couple of hours. Big heat all across the deep south. There is actually a boundary to our north and west that is trying to make some progress across the country. Now, that boundary itself probably never gets all the way through here, but what it can do as we get towards the weekend is help to focus some of those showers, help to squeeze this hazy, hot, humid air mass, and maybe help to generate more than just those typical afternoon sea breeze type showers. So I think by the time we get to Saturday, we're going to have better chances to generate some of those showers and at more times during the day. But that Saturday doesn't do us a lot of good here on Thursday. I don't expect very many showers, if any, and the same situation tomorrow. So another 2 days of the really hot and really humid. As we get to Saturday, we do start to look for some of those showers, and I think we should be able to get some, and there should be some more in the forecast on Sunday and Monday. A little different weather pattern coming as starting to see some changes in the upper level winds that help to steer everything around. So I do think there's relief coming, but we got to tough it out for another couple of days first. This out here in the middle of the Atlantic, this is Tropical Storm Don, still out there, still kicking, looking a little bit more organized this morning compared to maybe yesterday. The 5 a.m. advisory has the winds up to 50 miles per hour, still on that loop-de-loop out there between Bermuda and the Azores, and likely going to curl away before it ever gets anywhere near the Canadian Maritimes. We'll certainly keep our eyes on this one, but no threat to any land area with Don. On the Gulf close to home, hot, humid. Good conditions for the boaters, though. Those winds less than 12 knots and those seas less than 2 feet. So just got to deal with the heat out there. And of course, don't forget the sunblock if you're going to be outdoors. And don't be afraid to reapply. Unprotected skin will burn in 15 minutes or less this time of year. We're talking 70s and 80s with that hazy sunshine this morning. Very muggy out there and staying that way this afternoon. The air temperatures are going to make it into the middle and upper 90s. But when you mix in the humidity, it's going to feel like 10 or 12 or 15 degrees warmer than it is. That's the dangerous levels. That's why we have the heat advisory till 8 o'clock tonight. It could feel like it's up over 113 in spots. Let's go mid-70s overnight tonight with more muggy. And here's that 7-day forecast. There is some relief. Hopefully it gets here starting Saturday. We should be able to start thinning out those temperatures and raising those rain chances. This time of year, we count on those afternoon showers and storms to calm down that heat. We go 3 or 4 days without it. That's a lot of hot, and we're talking long duration hot. Again last night, near 90 till 9 p.m. Probably going to do that again today and still tomorrow.